In this video, we'll talk about the Representative Summary tab, which allows you to view and summarize the fuel treatments that have occurred in any congressional district across the country. When you open up this tab, you'll see two drop-down menus, states and congressional districts. You can use either or both of these drop-downs to filter for the district that you want. For example, say I want to find the district that covers Scottsdale, Arizona, and the land northeast of the Phoenix metropolitan area that includes part of the Tonto National Forest. I know that the representative for this district is David Schweikert, so I could start typing Schweikert into the dropdown and find the district that way. But say I don't know my representative's name off the top of my head. I could also use the state dropdown and select Arizona. Then when I select congressional districts, it'll filter based off of that state. But maybe that still doesn't jog my memory. One final option to find your congressional district is to navigate to the layer list, find administrative boundaries, and click on the icon next to the checkbox, and then find the 119th congressional districts line. You want to keep that box checked and uncheck all the other boxes, so we just add this info when we enable the administrative boundaries layer by clicking on its checkbox. Now I can see the district boundaries for U.S. congressional districts in gray and their specific district numbers displayed. I see now that I want District 0401. So back on the Representative Summary tab, I can type that number into the congressional districts dropdown and select the desired district. When you select a district and hit apply, the map will move to that district's location and highlight its perimeter in blue. TWIG will pull district metadata and calculate summary statistics, including treatment, wildfire, and funding metrics. Note that load times for intersecting treatments and wildfires can vary depending on the size of the district that you're querying. To the right of the summary are lists of intersecting fuel treatments and wildfires. And as you've seen, if you've seen our video on fuel treatment or wildfire tabs within the TWIG application, you can click on that list's header dropdown to show individual entries. I can see an individual entry's details by clicking on its name. To learn more about intersections and this type of information, see those videos on the fuel treatment or wildfire tabs. To navigate back to the list, click back. And as always, these data can be downloaded to pull into any application of your choice. At the bottom of the Representative Summary tab on the left here, you'll see a button called Report. Clicking this button will take you to TWIG's print feature, where you can print out a map that displays a certain amount of treatment information and can be zoomed to an extent of your choice, as well as all of the figures compiled when calculating the summary statistics for this district. You can either click Print or Close. To start a new search in the Congressional Districts tab, you'll click Clear down in the bottom left. And as always, to completely clear the viewer of all searches and return to the initial screen, click Reset. Thanks for tuning in. In our next video, we'll show you how to search using the Area Summary tab in the navigation bar.